My name is Ben, and this is my first platformer. My goal was to make my first Unity platformer. My design was a Unity made 2D platformer like Mario Bros. It contains flying enemies and coin boxes you have to hit. My program used components, Unity engine, variables, functions, collision, speed, physics 2D, vector 2, collider 2D, and game object. Problems. Problem 1. My problem was that one of my enemies were dying quickly, so I looked at the sprite and I found that the enemy's health was at 5, so I changed it to 2. Demo. Well, this is all my code. You can see there's a lot of chapters. It's my game. So if I click play, the screen, and then there's these flying enemies all around. And this water is just the little components, and then I can just jump in, but I can't really get out. You can if there's a block in the water near you, but basically, you don't have to do anything with your mouse, so it's just it's move around. W or up arrows. W is just for climbing. A and D are for moving around, or left, right arrow keys, and space is to jump. Also, you can kill enemies by jumping on top of them like Super Mario Bros. Basically, these ladders climbable with a down and up arrow, S and W. So you can easily just kill them, and then there's these secret parts where you can go up and go get these coins. Now, if you die, you respawn at the place you originally started, but it doesn't respawn the enemies you already killed because you already killed them. And then basically at the end, there's one more guy who's a little bigger than the others, but isn't that big. And then if you die from it because you didn't hit the hitbox, which will take away one of its health, means you die. But basically, if you go kill this guy, like that, then you see this little bigger fly, who's the boss fly, and he's got way more health than the original fly, and you can also die from this guy. It's just a crown. I just added it from a PNG that I found on the internet. So then if you just keep doing it for about 5 times, you can kill them. Nothing happens at the end, and I'll fix that. Any questions?
So you have to step on the enemy?
Yeah.
To kill it?
Jump on top of it. If you jump on side or under it, you're gonna die.
Oh, okay.
Any more?
Are you planning to do anything with the water, like water damage?
Oh, yeah.
Sorta, yeah.
Is it just going to take, or do you just have one map in mind, or would you like to expand?
Just one map would be a little good, because I don't really like doing expanded maps.
What about like key and lock? Or like you have to go search for a key to open a certain door. Is that?
Well then that'll have to be like different kinds of rooms or like worlds and stuff.
Okay. Okay. I think that's it. You have any more questions?
No, not for this.
Okay, perfect. Let's give a round of applause.